Yeah, that was a good start.
Yep. RS7.
Oh, they all back. They all back. No, there's missing like 4 people. Oh, I'm gonna smoke this guy. You won there?
Yep.
Oh. Who you race against?
I raced the 599 GTO.
Oh, okay. Bro, what? Bro. Oh, I won. I won. Yup. I won against the GTO RS. Let's go. W in the pocket, dog. Obviously. Amazing song. We are smoking there. Ooh, almost crashing too. Bro, I was drifting a bit, you feel me? Bro, I don't think they all understand what is the point of drivers. Yeah, facts, Gustav, facts. Break, bro. Bro, my wheel is fucking vibrating so much, bro. I don't know why, but this is weird for people who is in Discord. Oh, I'm gonna hit the M3.
Okay, are you ready?
Yup. Oh no!
Did you see the lights?
No, I didn't see it, bro. There's too much, like, the sun is too light for my car, for my eyes. Damn.
Need to try again.
GG. There's too much people watching.
Yeah.
But yeah, I have a, like, good graphic. But I think that's the game.
Easy win.
Oh.
Oh. Against. Okay.
Just do that when you're ready.
Okay. Need to park up. No, I'm gonna eat the car, bro. Wait. Okay, I'm good.
Oh.
Yeah, that was a good start.
Yep.
RS7, let's go.
Yeah, GG. Oh, yeah, I'm lagging, bro. I see you up front.
Chill more than
Yeah,
Again.
I'm down.
I can do that.
Bro, I'm lagging so bad, bro. I'm gonna chill. I'm against the 675, okay.
This guy, come on.
That's gonna be interesting. Wait. Well, I'm on your camera. I'm gonna see what's happening. But let me move my car a bit. Good race, yeah, he has a good start. That's why.
I always have good starts with this.
I got him. Let's go. Oh, he's gonna pass me. Oh, okay, I won. Let's go. But can you rematch? No, I have my TC off, that's why. I have my TC off, bro. That's why you have to do. Bro, I didn't see that, bro. Oh, that lead, bro. This is close. Bro, I just saw that like for a minute. You have the good car, Gustavkti, Orfeld, but not the Bel Air. I can't lie on this one. Bro, I don't want to race the GT3, the GT2. I want to race the RS6. Oh, M5, okay. Bro, what is he doing, bro? Yo, let me show my TC on. The Supra. Oh, you got it. No, you wouldn't have. He's gonna burn his tire. That's not smart. Bro. I'm gonna cool down a bit my car, bro. Yup, I was in the bushes.
He got me at the end.
Yeah, for the ReShade, the demon. Yo, Gustav, you don't wanna like go up and like explore the map, like when you have a like little corners and shit.
I actually have to go now.
Oh.